Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix auto insurance with Geico, full guide step by step clearly. To fix your auto insurance with Geico, start by gathering all necessary documents. This includes your driver's license, vehicle registration, and current insurance policy information. Visit the Geico website or open the Geico mobile app. Log into your Geico account using your registered email and password. If you don't have an account, click on the option to create a new account. Provide your personal information to register, including your email and policy number. Once logged in, navigate to the policy section on the dashboard. Review your current auto insurance policy details. Identify the specific issue you want to address, such as coverage amounts or premium rates. To make changes, click on the Edit Policy option. Modify the coverage limits or select different deductible amounts as needed. Explore additional coverage options like roadside assistance or rental car reimbursement. After making your adjustments, review the updated policy to ensure everything is accurate. Calculate your new premium to see how changes affect your costs. If satisfied, proceed to save the changes to your policy. If you prefer speaking with a representative, find the Contact Us section on the website. Choose to call customer service or initiate a live chat for immediate assistance. Explain your concerns clearly to the representative for a quick resolution. Inquire about any discounts you may qualify for to lower your premium. Once your issues are resolved, request a confirmation email of the changes. Keep this email for your records alongside your updated policy documents. Regularly review your policy at renewal time to ensure it meets your current needs. Staying informed about your coverage can help you make better insurance decisions. With these steps, you can effectively fix your auto insurance with Geico. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.